Hi, good morning to my respected supervisor, Dr. Amira binti Jamil. My name is Tan Yong Chin, no metric A18A1025. Currently, I am doing my internship program at Kohu, Malaysia, Sdn Berhad. Now, I want to start my presentation. The background of the company. Kohu, Malaysia, Sdn Berhad is one of the largest manufacturing operation and the world's largest test and inspection handler factory. It based in Malaysia with the headquarters in Aikelo, Malacca with size of 650 employees. It was founded in 1957 and is a global leader in bag and semiconductor equipment and service, providing innovative solutions for the manufacturing of semiconductor. The company offers a variety of equipment and service for back and semiconductor manufacturing. Next is role of each department. There are 7 departments involved in Kohu. First is supply chain management. Each management of the flow of product from the procurement of raw material to the delivery of the product at its final stage. Currently, I am doing my internship program at this department as a sourcing. Second is human resource. Human resource responsible for manage a company human capital to meet company objective. Third, finance department. Their responsible is obtaining and handling any money on behalf of the organization. Fourth is production. A production department is a group of functions in a company to manufacturing of goods. Next is engineering. They are focused on research development in which product design and development process, following by quality engineering. Their responsible is to manage the quality of the product. Last is industrialization. They are men of the development of industry. Operating activity. Operating for Kohu, which offer a variety of equipment and service for back-end semiconductor manufacturing, including a one-stop shop for test and handling equipment, thermal subsystem, interface solution, vision inspection and metrology, and MEMS test solutions. Scope of exposure. Basically, there are 3 tasks assigned by my industrial supervisor. First is perform MRP tracking. Every morning, I will perform MRP tracking for my team. It will help manufacturers to plan, schedule, and manage their inventory. Next, I will request for quotation. I will assist the operation sourcing team to generate RFQ to define the supplier and maintain the quotation open with fulfill information. Then I will update Oracle system. After receive quotation, I will cross-check and make sure it updated in Oracle system and saved in company drive. For the contribute to the industry, I will assist and contribute to my team as an intern. In the beginning of my internship, I draw out some time simply trying to learn how the company works. I managed to get guidelines from my leader to understand of their role and responsibilities in the company. After a few days of learning the ins and outs of the company, I started to assist and contribute to my teams. For example, performing all the tasks given. Second, learn and gain experience. I have learned some hard skills such as management skills to understand data analytics. On the other hand, I also managed to learn some soft skills like negotiating with supplier. Thirdly, productivity. I managed to do all my job given by my leader. My suggestion for improvement to Kohu is provide foreign language class. Company can try to provide a foreign language class to their employees to groom their foreign language as well so that they can manage to communicate to their overseas supplier with their language. Second is enhance more quality soft skill training to develop more efficient soft skills that can deal with the supplier efficiently and productivity. Third is create rewards program to their employee. It will encourage employees to try more excellence. During my internship, the first challenge that I meet is face difficult supplier. When facing some difficult supplier, we will hard to negotiate the price with the supplier, and sometimes they cannot provide the quotation by our target date. Second is language barrier. While dealing with overseas supplier, they prefer use their language in order to use English language to deal, and it will cause some conflict during communication. During the internship, I have added some value in my knowledge. First is networking. As an intern, I learned how important networking is for my future career. I have learned how to communicate and build relationships with the people I work with. Connecting with people in my desired career path through my internship has let me solidify my desire to work in sourcing, and I now have mentor to turn to when I have questions regarding the field. I am also now more confident when it comes to talking to potential co-workers and employers in my field. Second is skill and knowledge enhancement. During this internship, I have gained a lot of soft skill and hard skill. For example, I managed to communicate and negotiate with overseas customers confidently, and I also managed to cope in managing sourcing raw materials and parts. And the last is leadership. I had guidance and mentor, but I have to make decisions on my own. Through this experience, I developed a sense of leadership, especially with regards to speaking for and defending my ideas and decisions, not to mention actually make decisions. In conclusion, I am glad to have my internship with Kohu and have learned a lot from my colleagues. These traits are invaluable when it comes to a career, and an internship is the perfect place to learn and perfect them. Thank you.